Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop someone from saving your snaps in Snapchat. So first, open up your Snapchat and capture a photo that you want. Once you capture it, look at the right side of your screen and click on this icon. Here you can see that someone will view your snaps by no limit. Change it to seconds. For example, 1 second. And once you set it, they are not allowed to save your snap anymore. So for the video, it's the same process. Once you're done filming your video, you can see this icon. So here it's default to loop. Once you click it one time, it will change to play once. And that's it. That's how you stop someone from saving your snap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.